What's up everyone, back with me Christy again. Today I'm going to cook panna cotta. What is panna cotta? Panna cotta means cooked cream in Italian. And to make one, you literally just cook it with addition of some ingredients, of course. And what are those ingredients? Well, don't wanna keep you guys waiting, so let's get started. To make panna cotta, we are going to need cream, milk, sugar, gelatin, and vanilla extract. First things first, we are going to bloom our gelatin by soaking it to cold water and leave it for around 10 minutes. The amount of water usually about 5 times of the amount of gelatin. While waiting our gelatin to bloom, we can start heating our cream. Put in the sugar as well, as this will help to increase the boiling point of the cream so that it is cooked slowly. After the sugar dissolves completely, we can start adding the milk and vanilla extract, then mix it evenly. After the cream mixture starts to bubble, turn off the heat, add the bloom gelatin, and mix it thoroughly. Then, transfer it to the mold of your choice and put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to set. Now that the panna cotta is already set, it should be bouncy like this. And now, I'm going to take it out from the mold and show how it will look like. Then, I'm going to finish it with the coffee caramel sauce I made and scrape some of chocolate bar to top it. Now, that's what I call perfection. I'm going to give it a taste and tell you how it is. The panna cotta sweetness itself, it's just right for me. And the slight salty bitter coffee caramel sauce also matches well with it. In addition, the scraped chocolate gave an additional bittersweet taste. Definitely a dessert worth trying to make and try. So, this is for today's video about panna cotta. What do you think about it? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below. And as always, thank you for watching. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Like the video, share it with your friends if you find it useful. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.